How to activate Tesco credit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to activate Tesco credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Tesco Bank website tescobank.com and hit enter. Next, log in into your Tesco Bank account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to register. But if you want to log in into your existing account, just tap on login at the top right corner of the screen. Now type in the username and password and then tap on the login button. You'll need to enter some other details to confirm your identity, such as OTP, your name, and security code. Once you are logged in, go to the credit card section. You can usually find it under My Account tab. Now find on the option that says Activate Card and click on it. You'll need to enter some detail to confirm your identity. This usually includes your card number, your name, and the security code at the back of your card. After entering your details, click on Active button. You should see a confirmation message telling you that your card is now activated and ready to use. And that's it. You have now successfully activated Tesco credit card online. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.